Nice to meet you, where you been? I can show you incredible things. Magic, madness, heaven, sins. Saw you there, and I was like, oh my gosh, look at that face. You look like my next mistake. Love a game, wanna play. New money, suit and tie. I can read you like a magazine. Ain't it funny? Rumors fly, and I know you heard about me. So hey, let's be friends. I'm dying to see how this one ends. Grab your passport and my key, 'cause I can make the bad guys good for a weekend. So it's gonna be forever, or it's gonna go down in flames. Can you tell me when it's over, or if the high was worth the pain? Get along this Islamic service, they'll tell you I'm insane. 'Cause you know I love the players, and you love the game. Guess we're young and we're reckless, we'll take this way too far. Gonna leave you breathless, or with a nasty scar. Got a long ways of ex-service, they'll tell you I'm insane. I've got a blank space, baby. Now write your name.